quick video. Bought a few more sets of darts now. So I'm going to show them. The first ones are the Jack Mains 23 gram. Side of the box, you see that right? Can't see properly. There. Nice darts, these. Really grippy. You wouldn't think that they'd be so grippy, but they are. I'm actually going to leave these ones set out as well. Yeah, the case hasn't came to these yet. They sent me the wrong case, A180. They sent me a flight case instead of the Cosmo S case. I've sent the flight case back, but I'm still waiting for my case to arrive. Next up, the Bulls Sakuda case. Lovely little cases these. And inside is the Adam Gavlas darts. I don't know if you can get a proper view. The camera's not the best, and they're beautiful or really nice dart. Gorgeous. I wouldn't know how to fly because, like I've said before, I don't shot my collection of darts. Put them on that side. And at least you can still see them. And then there's a Gavlas darts. Stick them over there in the corner. Next is the Noah's and Gary Anderson World Championship darts. Gorgeous darts. So nice. And ink stained flight, and it got a dab of ink put on it. And black points, beautiful. One of my favourites these already. Really nice set. Not that keen on unicorns, to be honest, but I am on these. I think they're way behind the times compared to other manufacturers. And then lastly, these ones are the Type 3 Jose's. I've just been and collected them off Darren from Darts Review channel, me mate. He's just had some given to him by Trinidad, the new different weights, and he's sold me a set. I do really like the Jose's, and I've been after them for a while. The only thing is, you can't get a case for them, a decent case. It's a proper struggle. I'm going to take these out. They're quite hard to get out the point protector. Lovely darts, so. But I do need a case for them. And I will get a case for them. Get a better look at you now. And 4K. Very grippy dart. Very grippy dart. Get them gaffless ones up close. Remind me a bit of the Gary Anderson ones I've got as well, these. The flights in there as well. Milled cut through down the side. Lovely grip. Really, really nice dart. I like the bull sign on the flight as well. But they are stunning set of darts. The Anderson Noirs. Get one out. Unicorn logo. Beautiful dart. Come fitted with black point as well, which you can't fall off with, can you? Perfect. Beautiful dart. And the last new set. The Trinidad's. I haven't got the stems on out on these. They're in there. I haven't got a case for it. I'm going to have to get a case for this. So I like this colours, the Portuguese colours on it. But yeah, very, very clean, lovely dart. I can't throw over bull nose like that. I like a tapered nose. But they are absolutely stunning. Look at that. Beautiful barrels. Fantastic.